Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to Bank of America. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in to your Venmo account if you aren't already. Locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the icon to open the menu options. Select Manage Balance from the list. Tap on Transfer to Bank. Choose the amount of money you wish to transfer. Ensure you have linked your Bank of America account to your Venmo account. If you haven't, select Add Bank Account and follow the prompts. Choose Instant for a quick transfer or 1 to 3 business days for a standard transfer option. For an instant transfer, a small fee may apply. Enter your Bank of America account details if prompted. Confirm the information you've entered is correct. Press Transfer to initiate the transfer. You will see a confirmation screen showing the transfer details. Wait for a notification that the transfer has been completed. Check your Bank of America account to verify the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, revisit the Venmo app for troubleshooting tips. Your transfer is now complete and your funds are in your Bank of America account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.